Possum Duo. The Adventures of Cat and Rat. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a friendly cat named Cat. Cat loved to explore and have fun with his friends. One sunny day, Cat decided to invite his friends, Rat and Bat, for an exciting adventure. Bat flew to Cat's house, where Cat was playing with a ball of yarn. Meow. Hi, Cat, Cat purred with delight. What's the plan for today? Cat replied, we're going on an adventure to find a special treasure. And we need Rat's help too.
So, Cat and Rat hurried to Hat's house, where Hat was sitting by the window, wearing a fancy hat on his head. Hello, friends! Hat exclaimed. Where are we off to today?
We're searching for a treasure, Hat, Cat said eagerly. Will you join us? Bat grinned and said, absolutely. I'll bring my trusty map. The three friends set off on their journey. They walked along a path that led to a big, tall mountain. As they climbed, they realized they needed a rest, so they sat on a flat rock. What a breathtaking view! Cat exclaimed, looking out at the rolling hills. Suddenly, they heard a loud noise. Thump! Thump! It was Pat, the friendly farmer. Pat was carrying a basket of juicy, ripe apples.
Hello, everyone. Pat greeted them warmly. Would you like an apple? They're fresh from my farm. Cat, Rat, and Bat happily accepted the apples. They munched on them while enjoying the beautiful scenery.
With renewed energy, the friends continued their journey. They followed the map and reached a field with colorful flowers. Nat, a young rabbit, was hopping around, gathering carrots for dinner. Hello, Nat. Cat called out. We're on a treasure hunt. Would you like to join us? Nat hopped over excitedly. I'd love to, he exclaimed. I'll show you the way through this field. As they walked, they spotted something shiny in the distance. It was the treasure. It glittered under the golden sun.
The friends celebrated their discovery with cheers and laughter. They had found the long-lost treasure chest. We make a great team, Rat said, smiling at her friends. Yes, we do. Cat agreed, and everyone nodded. They opened the treasure chest, and inside, they found sparkling jewels, gold coins, and a special note that said, "You are the true treasures," together. The friends realized that the real treasure was their friendship and the adventures they shared. With their hearts full of joy, they made their way back home, carrying the memories of their exciting journey. Excited by the realization that their friendship is a precious treasure, Rat, Cat, Bat, and Nat decided to embark on another grand adventure together. They believed that their bond was strong enough to conquer any challenge that lay ahead, so they planned a trip for the next weekend. The quartet of friends set out on a journey to explore the vast and mystical enchanted forest. As they ventured deeper into the woods, they encountered magical creatures, stunning landscapes, and daunting obstacles. However, they faced each hurdle with unwavering unity and determination. The saints had the power to amplify and protect the bonds of true friendship. Sad explained that to unlock the miracle, the four friends needed to undergo a series of trials that would test their loyalty, trust, and selflessness. Excited by the realization that their friendship is a precious treasure, Rat, Cat, Bat, and Nat decided to embark on another grand adventure together. They believed that their bond was strong enough to conquer any challenge that lay ahead, so they planned a trip for the next weekend. After overcoming the final trial, the home of the saints stood before them, radiating with a brilliant glow. As they touched the waters, a dazzling light enveloped them, and they felt an immense surge of love, trust, and connection. Their friendship transformed into something even more extraordinary, a bond that could weather any storm and endure the test of time. They had unlocked the true power of their connection and understood that the treasure they sought was not material wealth but the love and support they shared. Filled with a newfound wisdom and strength, Rat, Cat, Bat, and Gnat returned to their hometown as heroes. They shared their incredible journey and the lessons they learned with their fellow animals, inspiring them to value and nurture their own friendships. In honor of their remarkable adventure, the town held a grand celebration. Animals from far and wide gathered to commemorate the inseparable bond of Rat, Cat, Bat, and Gnat. The celebration became an annual tradition, a reminder to all that true friendship is the most precious treasure one can possess. And so, their story became a legend, whispered among animals for generations to come, a testament to the incredible journey of four friends who discovered that their friendship was the most magical and cherished treasure of all.